First, go to Google search bar, type 3DP chip and press enter. Now open the official website. Click this link to download 3DP chip. Click on close icon to start download. Once download, open the software. Click on the plus icon next to the multimedia. Select Realtek HD audio. Then click on it to open the download page. Here you will see the latest driver version. Just click to download and install. Now, to download your graphics driver, simply click on your video card name. It will open the official download page. Just click and download the latest version. And that's how you can easily download Realtek audio and graphics driver using 3DP chip. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.